Hello beautiful soul, welcome to my world, my universe. Follow me with a day in my life edition as Putri Kebaya Cilik Jawa Timur 2024. Hi, I'm Kalila Ayudhya Inara. I'm 9 years old. I study at International Islamic Elementary School of Sabilillah Sampang. I'm in 3rd grade. I'm destined to be 4th grade. As a representative of Putri Kebaya Cilik Jawa Timur 2024, literally has changed my whole life routine, not just being a regular elementary student as I used to. Those whole new life routine and experience establish my view about the importance of being consistent of what we do now. As a regular student, I have to go to school at 7 a.m. from Monday until Friday and go home at 2 p.m. on Saturday. It's time for me to improve myself by joining modeling, public speaking, and also storytelling. Even though I'm an only 9 years old kid, I do believe that if you want something, you have to earn it. That also the thing that I do to be what I'm today. Saat ini saya sedang mengikuti ajang pemilihan Putri Kebaya Indonesia 2025. Being part of this community teach me so many lessons that I can get from school or other place. Being Putri Kebaya Cilik is just the beginning of everything. Saya, Kalila Ayudhya, your future Putri Kebaya Cilik Indonesia 2025. Siap untuk unjuk diri dengan